From a boy band heartthrob to a global icon, Harry Styles has transformed into one of the most unique and beloved stars of our times. But how did he rise to fame, and what his life like behind the spotlight? Let's dive into the story of Harry Styles, a journey of talent, style, and personal growth that will leave you truly inspired. Harry Edward Styles was born on 1st February 1994 in Redditch, Worcestershire, England, but grew up in the small town of Holmes Chapel, Cheshire. From an early age, Harry showed a passion for music, forming a band in high school before auditioning for the X Factor in 2010. Although he did not make it though as a solo artist, he was grouped with 4 other contestants to form One Direction, which would go on to become one of the most successful boy band in history. After One Direction went on hiatus in 2016, Harry embarked on solo career. His self-titled debut album released in 2017 was a commercial success, showcasing his rock influences and provoking that he was more than just a boy band star. His subsequent album Fine Line in 2019 and Harry's House in 2022 solidified his place in the music industry as a versatile and experimental artist, earning him critical acclaim and massive global fan base. Harry Styles has always kept his personal life somewhat private, but he had several high-profile relationships including with Taylor Swift, Olivia Wilde. Known for his charm and kindness, Harry's personality has won over fans and peers alike. He was a vocal supporter of various causes, especially those related to LGBTQ+ rights and mental health awareness. Despite his fame, Harry is known for maintaining a grounded lifestyle, often speaking about the importance of humility and kindness. In recent years, he also made his mark in the fashion world, often pushing gender boundaries with his bold and eclectic sense of style. From his iconic appearance on the cover of Vogue in 2020 to his colorful stage outfit, Harry has redefined what it means to be male pop star, embracing fluidity in both his music and fashion. Harry Styles is a blend of high fashion art and a passion for self-expression. When he is not performing on stage or attending red carpet event, he enjoys relatively low-key life. He is an avid reader and meditates regularly to maintain his mental balance. Harry also split his time between Los Angeles and London, often seen spending time with friends or indulging in some creative pursuit like painting and writing. He is a fitness enthusiast but not in the traditional sense. Harry prefers yoga and pilates to keep himself in shape and balanced. He also known for his love of good food and has a reputation for treating his crew to lavish meal while on tour. Harry Styles stands at 6 feet and weighs around 70 kg. His age is 30 years old as of 2024. His estimated net worth is $120 million USD. From redefining pop stardom to being a fashion icon, Harry Styles is more than just a musician. He is trailblazer for new generation. His journey from a small town beginning to global superstardom is a testament to his talent, individuality, and the impact of staying true to oneself. What part of Henry's lifestyle inspire you the most? Let us know in the comment. For more information about your favorite celebrity, do visit our website saidcocoblog.com. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.